In this video, we'll show you how to create a fill pattern on any area using a diamond shape. Suppose you have an area to fill and you want to create a fill pattern like this one. An easy way to do that is to use a diamond shape and the array fill type. Let's start by drawing a diamond shape. Go to the ready-made shapes and start the polygon tool. Set the number of sides to 4 and the start angle to 90 degrees. Now, click and drag to draw the shape. Hold the Control key down for the diamond to have equal width and height. Remove the fill color and set any outline color you like. Right-click and use the Convert to Curves option. At this point, you may set the size of the diamond. I'll set mine at 25 millimeters. Now we need to define the area to be filled. For example, create a rectangle and remove the fill color as we don't need it. Define the exact size of the area to be filled. Now, select both the diamond shape and the area to be filled. Right-click, and from the appearing menu, select Array, and then choose the option Create Fill from Shapes. As you can see, the area is now automatically filled with a diamond pattern. Using the array properties, you can adjust the placement of the pattern. You may choose whatever placement you like: circular, contour, rectangle. You may also adjust the spacing, creating any variation you like. You're not limited to just rectangular shapes. You may apply this fill pattern on any shape you like. Have in mind that if the option Add New Objects as Clones is enabled when you apply the array, you may edit the shape of the initial part and the inner copies of the filled area are automatically updated. Let's take this one step further. For instance, suppose that we want to add some special decoration on the fill pattern. You can use the Separate to Objects option first, and then right-click and use the Convert to Redwork option. Now you can apply any style of stitches you choose to make your fill pattern unique. Creating pattern fills using simple shapes is really easy. Make sure you follow us to learn more techniques.